Oh, so it's Labor Day. You know what? I need to let everyone know about a Labor Day special that I have. How can I let everybody know? Hey, this is probably you, no matter if it's Labor Day or whatever holiday, right? You need to get a message out to the masses, out to everybody on your email list, right? Now, yeah, I know you have some emails followed up, on automation, right? They're going out in your autoresponder automatically, right? But this is a one-time thing. This is a like, yo, if they don't join me in this in the next 24 hours, it's over finito, right? Yeah, I know you're probably thinking it just like I was thinking it. And you know what? I said, how can I achieve that? Well, what I need to do is I need to blast everyone on my list. Guys, I know you probably don't know how to do that yet, but you're in luck because in this session, I'm actually going to teach you how to send an email blast using Getresponse. Now, if you happen to be watching this on Facebook, go ahead and give me some thumbs up, show me some love. And if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Coach D, all right? And I'm all about helping other online marketers, entrepreneurs, network marketers be able to increase their business by getting more leads, more sales. I'm showing you guys all the tips, the tricks, the tools, all right? And I do that by focusing on the 3 M's of entrepreneurship. That is the mindset, marketing, and multiple streams of income, baby. All right, and today one of the ones that we're talking about is we're going to talk about the marketing side of things. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube, definitely go ahead, crush that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. But either way, put down in the comments, let me know where you guys are tuning in from, because I'm tuning in from the Carolinas. So you definitely want to stick around to the end, guys, because I'm going to show you exactly how I make the email, and you already know I got some cool bonuses for you, baby. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, now before we jump into this, guys, check this out. Now, keep in mind, this is not something that you only can do on a holiday. You could do this anytime that you have a special promotion going on, or maybe you have a Facebook group and you have the emails collected for your Facebook group members, and you need to let them know about a special training that's going on tonight, or your team, that's joined you in a particular business opportunity, and you need to let them know about a special training going on. All right. At any time, if you need to send everyone on your email list a special offer or a special announcement, you need to be sending out a broadcast. Well, actually, in this case, it's actually called a newsletter. All right, we're going to be using Getresponse to do that. We're going to be using them to actually schedule a newsletter. So this is how we do it. We're logged into our Getresponse account. We come over here to menu, then go over to email marketing. All right. When you go over to email marketing, you could go to where it says create newsletter. All right, going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to just use the drag and drop editor here. This is the easiest way. So we're going to use drag and drop editor. All right, click that. All right, and next, and we don't have to worry about this column where it says linked list. We don't have to worry about that because we're actually going to be blasting this to, the different lists that we have in our Getresponse account. So don't worry about that just yet. Follow me. Message name, all right? And this is a name so that you remember what the message is. This is not something that the subscribers or people on your email list, they won't see this. So you can put whatever you want. So I'm just going to say Labor Day special, all right? Just so I remember what it is, right? Now, the subject line is, something that your subscribers, the people who are on your email list, they are going to see, all right? So, and I'm making this up off the fly, guys. I like to use emojis. It's not necessary, but I like to use them, so there's that. So I'm going to put an emoji here, and right off the cuff, I'm going to say, Labor Day special. Labor Day special. All right. And capitalize the first word, the first letter of each word. All right. Labor Day special. That's a little tip for you. All right. For your subject lines. All right. So go ahead and hit, and this should already be set. The from field should already be set. All right, so then hit next step over here down the blue. All right, now we're going to come up here where we choose, a template. I like to actually start with a blank template All right, and you could just you know, scroll down to the blank template, but I already have my blank template saved as a favorite. All right, so I'm going to go right to it, but just find a blank template. All right, and that's right here. It says blank. It literally says blank template. All right, so I'll go here, and we're going to let that pull up. All right, now we're going to go ahead and construct our email. So let me move this over. All right, and I like to put an image. A lot of times I like to put an image at top, so I'm going to put an image up here at the top. All right, I just moved. All I did was drag this block over here from the right side over here, and then I click on it so that way I can insert an image. And I like to use Giphies. I don't. What is it? Jiffy? Is it Giphy? I don't know. Jiffy peanut butter. But anyway, I'm gonna hit Jiffy. All right, because that's how I want to say it. All right. All right, and I'm gonna say something like countdown. Wait, countdown, and see what type of images come up. I'm gonna say countdown. All right, and I'm going to use this one where this little clock is moving, all right? And you can use whatever image you want, all right? I'm just going to use this one, and then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. This right here is something you could use to resize it. So here where you see this little scroll bar, sliding bar, I'm just going to move it over. All right, then I'm going to click out of it. All right, and then hover over it so that way I can just take away some of that space. All right, now go over here to text block. This is where I can actually write something. All right, I'm going to take that out because I'm not going to write that. And I'm going to say, hey fam, Coach D here. All right. I'm going to say, I've got a super cool offer just for you. I know you've been wanting to really accelerate your income this year, right? So here's the deal. All right, so now I just went ahead and made out the email right here that I want to send out. I got everything in there, got my call to action with my link and everything like that. All right, so my email is good to go. All right, so now we go over here at the lower right and hit next step. And that's going to take us over here. And now we can actually choose the lists that we want to send this email out to. Okay, so these are lists that you already made inside of Getresponse. All right, that already have contacts on them as well. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the list that I want. All right, so for my particular case, I want to take it off of. All right, so I chose the list that I want this to go out to, and now I'm going to go ahead down here at the lower right and hit next step. All right, now over here is where I can actually schedule it. All right, now you can actually schedule a newsletter, all right, to go out at any time in the future. Okay, so it can be an hour from now, it can be, 30 days from now. Okay, if that's what you want. All right, so you can schedule it to go out, at a future time. So you see how this can help you if you have an event coming up, even down the road, or if you have something that's happening today and you need to get it out right now. So what we're going to go ahead and choose is I'm going to actually schedule this. All right, hit schedule, because if you hit send, all right, let me make sure you understand. If you hit send, it'll go ahead and send it right now. Okay, but we're going to schedule it. All right, so hit schedule, which means I don't want it to go right now, but I do want it to put it to go out at a time in the future. Okay, so I do want it to go out today, but here's where you could change the date, right? If you want it to go out at a different day, you could change the month, if you wanted to do that. But I am going to use today. All right, now I want this to go out. Let's say I want this to go out at 3:59 is good. So that's in about an hour. I want this email to go out. Okay, and then you could change the hour right here by just sliding this bar, and the minutes by sliding this bar as well, this little blue bar. When you're done, hit done. Okay, now you'll have whatever date and time that you want to go out. Boom. All right, now you can choose from either perfect timing or time travel or none at all. All right, perfect timing, and it tells you what it means. Let me blow this up a little bit because shoot, I need to see it too. All right, perfect timing, it says delivers your message when your recipient is most likely to open it. All right, because people are in different time zones. So the system knows based upon when people have been opening your emails in the past, when are they most likely to be able to open the email. So you could choose, excuse me, perfect timing on that one. Or you could choose time travel. And this is just so that the newsletter will go out to a person in their, time zone, right? So if I'm in Eastern time zone, right, and let's say it's 3 o'clock here, maybe somewhere else it's like 8 o'clock, or 9 o'clock or something like that. So if you want to switch that up, you can. Now, for my purposes, because I want this, to be received, on about that 3:59, I want that to actually go out no matter what time zone, my list is in. I'm going to leave it at that. All right. I'm not going to do perfect timing or time travel, but you totally can. All right. So now you go over here to schedule. One more thing before you hit schedule. All right. You see here where it says spam score. The one thing I like about Getresponse is that it'll give you the spam score. All right. Meaning how likely is your email to wind up in spam. Now, it's not a guaranteed thing, but they're just giving you, some insight. So, if your score, I believe like the tolerance is about a 0.5 or something like that, or maybe a 5. But the point of the matter is, if it has, a number here, like honestly, if it's more than like a 0.1, and then I would go back and change some trigger words. Like maybe you have $signs in your emails that's triggering a spam alert or something like that. But in this case, I'm a 0, so I'm a rock with that because the lower the number, the better. So 0 is good. 0 is good. All right, so hit schedule. All right, now what it's letting us know is that, hey, it's done, okay, and that things will be sent out according to my settings, so I told it to send it out in about an hour. So that email is going to be sent out in about an hour, alerting everyone on the list that I put, that I checked. Hey, there's a promotion and you need to rock out with it. Well, all right, so hopefully you have found that valuable, this Getresponse tutorial on how to schedule a newsletter in Getresponse. Now, remember I told you that I had some cool bonuses for you? I don't be lying, all right? But first, if you have found value, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and ring that bell, baby, so you can be alerted next time I come out with some content, because I'm bringing it to you every single week, guys, all right? Now, let's get on to these bonuses, all right? First thing that you're going to get is you're going to get an actual lead magnet here that you can use in your business, all right? And what this is the 4 steps to a profitable email list, all right? And this ebook gives the 4, like some really in-depth steps as well. It really works, okay? To be able to show you guys how to, be able to build your email list, because once you get Getresponse, I know you're going to be ready to build your email list. And don't worry if you're like, hey, I don't have Getresponse yet. Check this out. I'm going to hook you up with a free trial. The first link in the description, grab Getresponse to get hooked up with the free trial. And as a bonus, you're going to get this lead magnet right here, which of course you can use it for the training, and you also can give it away to other people who decide to do business with you in any of your businesses. So immediately you have value, and this is valued at $197, okay? This is $197 value. And there's another cool bonus that I'm adding on just for you because you stuck around to the end, right? When you decide to go ahead and become a new customer with Getresponse, now it's for the new customers, both of these bonuses are for new customers, okay? When you decide to become a new customer with Getresponse with my link down below, first link in the description, I'm also going to give you an email swipes, 30 email swipes that are good for the make money online niche. So as you're out there promoting your, business opportunities, your affiliate offers, right? These email swipes, 30 done for you email swipes are going to come in handy, okay? And you're going to get those as a bonus, okay? Just for go ahead and picking up Getresponse as a new customer with my link down below. And those emails, guys, they have a value of $197. You guys know how long it takes for you to think of something to write, then to actually construct the email. Man, yeah, you've probably been working on those email sequences that you've been trying to do for like the last 2 months, right? Okay, so you're going to get 30 days worth of email swipes, all right, as a bonus as well when you decide to grab Getresponse. And once again, it's a free trial. Take that free trial down below at the first link in the description. Once you go ahead and pick it up, all you got to do is contact me. I'll make sure I leave my contact details below so that way you can reach out to me and let me know, hey, D, I picked up Getresponse, with you. Boom. And I'll get those bonuses over to you. So in bonuses, we're talking about $197 value. plus $297 value. So we're talking about $494 worth of bonuses, all right, when you pick up Getresponse with my link, the first link in the description. All right, once again, guys, subscribe to my channel, crush that bell, baby, and you already know. So if you watching this on Facebook, definitely show me some love, give me some thumbs up, give me some hearts, share this video out. This is Coach D, and what we gonna do, we gonna take this ride to the top. All right, and we out.